Hi guys, VST here, Valentris Tech, and this is my Galaxy Z Flip 4 running the One UI 4.1.1 Android 12, guys. Some of you know that I'm on the quest of finding the perfect animation for the Samsung Galaxy Premium devices. And probably most of you know that right now, perfect animation on a Samsung device, at least on the new ones, is a bit like the holy grail. Somebody have seen it, somebody heard of it, somebody knows a guy that knows another guy that seen it or heard of it, but yes, it's still a holy grail. 2 days ago I released a video testing the One UI 5 Beta 3 and it was really very close. And the problem itself is not with the animations somehow, but with connecting animations, right? So the animations themselves were not so bad, but when you're triggering multiple actions, or let's say when you repeatedly try to force the animations by just stopping doing things on the phone, this is when the problem really stands up, this stutterness and lagginess. And then I got this tip from Valid Adele, who was saying that the only solution for what I said about the interruption between the animation is actually in GoodLock. So apparently there is a setting under Home app, which is probably the best module for GoodLock, Task Changer, and this setting is around gesture top priority. When there is an interference in the gesture in the up area, it will take advantage of the gesture priority. Turn it on and it will make animation experience better. And you know guys, this might be a real thing. So right now I am inside my Home app. I will do a full review again of Home app when it's finally updated to support One UI 5, but this is probably, guys, kind of being the best model for me. See here, like the things that you can do really is insane, right? Without any roots, with no custom firmware. So this is probably one of the best models available under GoodLock. And as Valid said, guys, when you are inside the Task Changer and you scroll down a bit, there are settings related to gestures. And one we can see here, guys, is called Gesture Top Priority Setting. This is the description of this gesture top priority. When there is interference in the gesture and the up area, it will take advantage of the gesture priority, which kind of makes sense, guys. So what I decided to do in this video, I have put these two on, all right, one more time so that we are 100% sure, okay? And then, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to disable this because this here is also supposedly improving somehow the gestures, right, the fluidity. And this is the so-called navigation bar. So if we go inside and we just search for the navigation bar, guys, then I will go and try to remove the gesture hint. Okay, so no gesture hint. Right now we're going to be really up just to the animation and to what we have here inside this gesture top priority. This kind of really makes sense. So remember, interference in the gesture and the up area. So maybe this confuses the phone, but without any further ado, guys, I now have this on with all of my 1000 apps opened, and I'm gonna do some apps closing, apps opening, camera closing, and also just some home screen navigation to really see if that improves things. Okay, now open Telegram, all right, Telegram, all right, one more time. Okay, I'm gonna now close it. Okay, open Telegram. Okay, now I'm gonna open Messenger. All right, Messenger. All right, Facebook. Wait for this. Minimize. Okay, minimize. Okay, open, minimize, open, minimize. All right. Okay, let me now then open also Instagram. That causes somehow my phone to just stutter most of the time when I'm trying to do things. All right, open it, open it, open it. Okay, I want to do this, guys, really several times to just test the full of it. Now let me open Snapchat. Okay, so Snapchat, all right, not that bad. Front camera, back camera, front camera, all right. One more time, Snapchat, okay. Snapchat, here it is. Okay, I can move my head around, seems to be working. Now again, I'm going to open Telegram. Okay, it's in my memory right now, all right. Now let me just, guys, go and open TikTok. Okay, TikTok, loads a while. Yeah, slow. All right, then let me just try to add a new one, okay. I'm going to open it now with the camera, so Snapchat with the camera, okay, TikTok with the camera, okay, TikTok, wow, I mean, I'm not sure, guys, and this is why I am making this video. Is this really placebo, or you also think that it does make a difference? Wow, Spotify launched very quickly. See how many open apps I have, guys, really crazy. Now let's do the camera. I'm gonna open the camera, okay, now camera, one more time, camera, okay, just gonna leave this so that it has some time to refresh. Okay, camera. Okay, oh, I saw a lock here. Another important thing to say, guys, is that when you run the camera, your phone screen is locked to 60 Hz, so it's not 120 Hz. Okay, this is really how Samsung implemented, but let me just open some more apps. I'm going to open also Mixcloud. All right. Now, guys, with all these apps open, I'm gonna go to the left here to access Google Now. Okay, not that bad at all. Scrolling, and let me just try to open Twitter, for example. Twitter is very bad on Android in general. All right, let's do Twitter scrolling. All right. Yep. All right, I would say it's not great. Okay, but you see, minimizing Twitter really lagged the phone a bit, okay? There was this lag, guys. Now I'm gonna go and use my phone into the landscape mode. Now let me just open Telegram again. Okay, let me just open Twitter again. Try to scroll down, try to exit. Okay, Messenger again. All right, Facebook again. Okay, yeah, not that bad at all. Now let me just try to access the app drawer. App drawer, I think it's phenomenal, guys. Here, you won't expect any kind of lag. Also, the notifications. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. All right. See how many of them? Yeah. Okay. All right. Now let's open the dialog, guys. Let's see what happened there. Okay. Yep. Alright, no, not that bad, guys. Play Store. Alright, so maybe there is something with this gesture thing, guys. I'm not sure. That's why I'm making this video, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you want to test it by yourself, it's called Gesture Top Priority. And thanks very much, Vadil, for this tip. Stay safe, VST, over and bye.